See, guys, there's nothing as frustrating as not knowing what to do and being confused. Oh God, that's terrible. So if I want to become a data analyst in 2025, so here are the things I will do. So first of all, I'll work on my mindset, because a lot of times that's like one of the major challenges we have, when it comes to starting something, because you just feel like, oh, I'm not sure I can do this. Oh, I don't have the skill set yet. Oh, I'm not qualified enough. Oh, like a lot of doubt, in our mind. So the first thing I'll do is actually to work on my mindset, to see myself as someone that is capable of learning it, to see myself as someone that is capable of entering into that field and succeeding. So I'll work on my mindset. A lot of you doubt yourself, and I think that's like one major issue, because before anybody is even disqualifying you, you disqualified yourself already. You just feel like, I can't do this. Like you're always feeling like you can't, so it's a very big issue. So you really need to work on your mindset. So that's the first thing I would do if I want to start all over, to become a data analyst. I'm going to work on my mindset, to build my mindset in such a way that I believe that I can. And then number 2, I'm going to research. I don't know why most of you hate research. Like, you hate YouTube, you hate Google. Like, you're always asking, how can I? When you can simply take your phone and type, how can I become a data analyst? What is data analytics? You can search Google, you can search YouTube. I don't know why that is hard. So that's the next thing I will do. I will research. I will get myself used to the term data analytics. I will understand what does it mean, what does it entail. Like, I will get all the necessary details that I need to become a data analyst. Like, I will not leave anything hanging. When I started, like when I knew I wanted to become a data analyst, and then, I've told myself that, okay, I can do this, like I've gingered myself, build my mindset. The next thing I went into was research. I did a lot of research, like up to date. I have like books that I wrote because I like writing a lot. So that's the perk of transitioning from copywriting into tech, you understand? So I wrote a lot of things, what data analytics is like. I wrote even to the salary. That's how detailed I was, like to the salary I'll be earning, to how I can even get a job, all of those informations, right? So I wrote everything down. Like, I had idea of what I was going into. Do you get that? So the next thing I will do is I'll build my roadmap. And I think this is key, and this is very, very important, because this is now going to help streamline the whole journey for you. And building your roadmap, I divided it into 2, which is define your process and define your journey. So let's take the first one. So define your process. So how do you want to become a data analyst, right? Yeah. How do you want to go about it? So do you want to self-train yourself? That requires extra discipline. Do you want to self-train yourself? Do you want to go for a boot camp? Do you want to go to a school? So you have to define your journey. Like, define your journey. What journey do you want to take? How do you want to go about it? How do you want to start it? Do you want to self-train? Do you want to go for a boot camp? So have this in mind. So you now know the pros and cons of each of your journey. Now, when it comes to self-training, you know that you need discipline. You need commitment. Like, you need a lot of virtues to be able to navigate self-training. So know the pros and cons of your journey. If it's boot camp, okay, you research, okay, what boot camps is hosting, can I go, how many weeks? That's research, they go hand in hand. If it's self-training, all right, that's when we'll move to the next one, which is define your process. So for defining your process, this is now what do you now need to learn? What are the tools you now need to learn? So that you don't end up doing a lot of things and then you are doing nothing. So this is going to help you streamline your whole process. Like, it's going to make your whole process easy. So you want to self-train, all right? So what and what do I need to learn? So this will not even give you, so when you even understand it too, okay, let me say I want to learn Excel and SQL. For you, that's your process. That's what you need to learn. So you know that everything you are learning, you are focusing on just those two tools. Just those two tools. That's what you're focusing on. If you said, okay, it's SQL and Python I want to learn, it's Power BI I want to learn. I'm only focusing on these three tools. So define all of these things. Don't just enter into data analytics vaguely, like just enter, let me just see where it's going to. You can't succeed, you can't become effective, like you end up being more confused. So know your roadmap. Okay, I just want to learn 4 tools. Okay, I just want to learn 2. I just want to learn data analytics using Excel and SQL. That's beautiful. That's your road, like that's your journey. And it is not, your journey must not be the same with any other person's. Your journey is unique to you. So this is, what do I want to learn? What do I need to get it? So when you define all of these things, boom, you're good to go. So for me, these are the things I would do if I'm going to start all over in 2025. So I hope this was helpful. So follow me, like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you. Bye.